But always keep your feet kind of down. Step off a little bit.
Oh, that's
Shortcut. Hot, hot, hot. 2, 3, 4. Okay, you get hold my.
Right, which path should we take? Christine, you take left, I'll take right. Or you want to take right and I'll take... I'm a risky girl, I'm going the other way. Okay, I'll put the camera around first. Okay.
I'll help you. Okay guys, we're about to go down this steep and scary area. Now, we're going down here. We're making our way down. Kylie is way down there. Dad, watch out. Zoom in on Kylie. Kylie's way down there at the bottom. We're still making our way down. Slide my bum down. Hold on to this side area. Dad is on the spine. I'm gonna make my way down to the spine too. Cut. Going down the spine. Oh my goodness. And up there you can't see. Pretty good. Jumping down. Woo! Awesome!